Hey foodies, today we will be making a masala anda at home. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to get a latest video update. For making a anda masala, we have to boil the eggs. I have already boiled 4 eggs. Make some curds to the boiled eggs so that the spices enter inside. Now take a bowl, add spices like 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili. Add eggs into the bowl and shake well so that all the masala sticks to the eggs. Rest it for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, we will be making our masala. Take a small bowl and add 2 teaspoons of curd, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix well and keep aside. For another masala, take 2 onions, 5 to 6 green chili, 2 to 3 inch ginger, 12 to 13 garlic cloves and fresh coriander. Add in the grinder jar and make smooth paste. Our masala is ready. Now it's time to fry eggs. In an heated pan or tawa, add 1 tablespoon of oil. When heated, add eggs. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes so that it slightly turns golden. Now our eggs are fried. It's time to make a masala. In a kadai or a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When heated, add 2 bay leaves, 1 star anise, 2 small cinnamon sticks, 2 green cardamom, 5 to 6 black pepper. Saute for 1 minute. Let the aroma release from the masala. Then add 1 teaspoon of cumin. Let them flatten. Add grinded paste. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 3 teaspoons of red chili powder. You can adjust red chili as per your spiciness you prefer. Mix well. Cook for 1 minute. Add a puree of 2 to 3 tomatoes. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes till the oil gets separate from the masala. Now oil is separated and it's time to add a curd paste. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes and add 1 cup of water. 1 cup of water. Again mix well. Cover and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Now our masala is ready. Add fried eggs to the masala. Add 2 teaspoons of garam masala, pinch of kasturi methi and handful of coriander. Our masala anda is ready to serve. Give this recipe a try at home and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy.